Hello friends. So now coming to the SQL Server intro question session. So today's question is, what is memory optimized table? It is very helpful in optimization, performance tuning and all. If you know the answer, please like. If you do not know the answer, please like, comment and subscribe for the new or coming videos that will help you or boost your confidence or help you in the interview. So memory optimized table, so it is a specialized memory optimized table relational database management engine and native store procedure compiler integrated into SQL Server. Microsoft designed in memory OLTP to handle most demandable OLTP workloads. So benefits of memory optimized tables. So memory optimized or benefits is estimated contention, minimize IO logging, efficient data retrieval, minimizing code execution time, CPU efficiency, IO redundancy, reduction, removal. So this is a benefit. Basically, in short, we can say that if you are using memory in optimized table, that will be helpful in degrade the increase the performance of the databases and application or less IO intensive. Okay. Limitations. What are the limitations for the memory optimized table? The table should have at least one index. Means if you have an index, then it will helpful to create memory optimized table. No concept of heap, means heap table is not allowed. Okay. Expected except for all application except for an application lock in memory does not afford ability to lock records like a standard SQL server. Means you are basically free from that lock because it will read dirty pages and we can say unmodified data and all. Okay. Limited memory limitation, so it have a limitation of memory as well. Okay. How to create, basically what are the parameters? So we are thinking about that memory optimized, so benefit, limitations and their requirement, basically various parameters. So there are parameters like memory of underscore optimize is equal to on. This table is memory optimized, this is a parameter. Durability is called equal to schema only, means schema and data available until time server reboot. After restart, only schema in the memory. Okay, this is the benefit. Basically when it loaded in the SQL server loaded restarted, then data loaded into memory. After restart, it will keep schema only. Okay. Maintain sessions after management for the application, commonly used for staging table for the ETL scenarios, temporary tables. Durability means schema and data. Okay. So schema and data available all the in time memory. The data is persistent in the memory and the default setting when create database optimized table. So we have seen that what is memory optimized table, what are the benefits, limitations and what are the various parameters of database optimized memory optimized table. So hope you like this answer. Thank you for watching. Please stay tuned and do not forget to share, subscribe and like this channel. Thank you.